Hi everyone, I'm here to read you a story for Shabbat because tonight is Shabbat. Thank you everyone for joining in and singing with us this morning, all our Shabbat songs. And the story is called Shabbat Hiccups and it's written by Tracy Newman and the pictures, the illustrations are by Ilana Exelby. Do you know the story? Let's see what it's all about. Every week, Jonah looked forward to Shabbat. He loved Grandma Sue's matzo ball soup, the warm glow of the Shabbat candles, and playing all day on Saturday. But this Friday afternoon, when Jonah set the soup spoons on the dinner table, something happened. Yep! What was that? Did you hear it? Jonah's cousin Eden tiptoed towards him, carrying the Shabbat challah. Boo! She yelled. Jonah jumped. Whoa! What was that for? Eden smiled. Just trying to scare your hiccups away before we eat. Oi! Hiccups! Exclaimed Grandma Sue. Mom handed Jonah a vase of flowers. For the table, she said. Pretty, said his little sister Abby. But all Jonah could do was, yip! Grandma Sue gave Jonah the sugar bowl. Try eating some sugar, she said. That always works for me. Jonah scooped a spoonful into his mouth. Everyone waited. Everyone was quiet. And then, yep! The family gathered around the table as Mom lit the candles and said the blessings. Jonah worked hard to hold in his hiccups. But when Dad bent down to kiss the children, Jonah couldn't keep them any longer. Hiccup! 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 Can you do a hiccup? Hiccup! Those hiccups won't go away, said Dad. Maybe you should try drinking some water, said Grandma Sue, and she handed Jonah a glass. Jonah swallowed the water in one gulp. Everyone waited. Everyone was quiet. Phew, said Jonah. I think my hiccups are gone. Hooray! Everyone cheered. Did that work? That was a good trick. On Saturday, Jonah, Abby and Eden played hide and seek. Can you see Jonah? Where is he? They built block towers with Dad, and they listened to Mom reading a story. When the sunlight faded, Dad opened the front door. Let's take a walk, he said. We can see who spots the end of Shabbat stars first. Remember, there have to be 3 stars in the Shamayim, in the sky. That means it's the end of Shabbat. Eden looked up. The sky is getting dark, she said. Abby pointed. Pink clouds. Mom smiled. We've had such a lovely Shabbat. Today has been really great, agreed Jonah. And I'm so happy that... What do you think he's going to say? So happy that my... Uh-oh. Oh, no! Wailed Jonah. They're back. Oh, no, agreed Grandma Sue. Look, said Abby. And Abby tugged Grandma Sue's hand. 3 stars in the Shamayim. 1, 2, 3. Can you count them? Echad, shtayim, shalosh. I wish my hiccups were over too. Just like Shabbat is over now, said Jonah. We'll get rid of them, promised Mom. But now it's time for Havdalah, to welcome in the new week. And when they got home, Jonah filled the Kiddush cup with grape juice. Dad lit the special braided candle, the Havdalah candle. Mom said the blessing, holding the Kiddush cup high, and then she added, "Sweet juice to remember our sweet Shabbat together." Yep! Eden recited the blessing on the spices and passed around a box of cinnamon sticks and cloves. Everyone took turns smelling the delicious scents. Dad smiled. These spices help carry our Shabbat memories into the new week. Yummy, said Abby. Yep. Mom said the blessing over the candles, gazing at her fingertips as she held them close to the tall flame. And after that, she smiled at the children and said, "A special light to brighten and warm our week." Dad said the final blessing and drank from the Kiddush cup. Abby, Mom, Eden, and Grandma Sue took turns drinking juice. Grandma Sue handed the cup to Jonah. "Maybe a big sip will help get rid of those hiccups." "I'll try," said Jonah, and finished all but a few drops. Dad poured the remaining juice into a bowl, and Mom dipped in the burning candle. See, she's putting the flame out. The flame hissed and sizzled and went out. Everyone waited. Everyone was quiet. "Woohoo!" Jonah exclaimed. "I think my hiccups are finally gone." Mom gave him a big hug. "Shavua Tov, a good week," said Dad. But then something happened. What do you think happened? Can you guess? "Oh no," cried Grandma Sue. "Oh no," agreed Jonah, and he handed Grandma Sue a glass of water. So who got the hiccups now? Yep, Grandma Sue. And this is the back page. That's the end of our Shabbat story. I hope you all have a wonderful Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom. See you next week. Bye-bye.